Welcome to part 2 of my project Clean Sweep, in which I plan to clear up my murky pond. I have here an assortment of parts that I'm going to employ in my filter. We'll start with the sections of PVC. I have 2-inch PVC, 1.5 PVC, and 1-inch PVC. I also have connectors that go along with them. Some threaded parts here that will adapt to the PVC and then screw into the bulkheads. I have bulkheads in the same sizes, 2-inch and all the way down to 1-inch. The bulkheads all have gaskets on one side. There's some elbows and a T-fitting and some barbs that will connect to my flexible PVC tubing. I've also put together a bulkhead and a configuration which I will probably use here, where there's a PVC connector that's threaded into one end and then a barb that's threaded into the other so that can plug into the hose. I plan on installing a valve on the 1.5-inch line, so that's a 1.5-inch valve. That flow will go out to a waterfall feature, so I can vary that flow as necessary. That cap here is a 2-inch cap, and I think I'm going to use that if and when I need to back flush the system. Therefore, I can just cap off the 2-inch line and keep water from spilling back into the pond. This is our filter box. It's just a Rubbermaid type storage bin. This one just happens to be made of 99% recycled plastic, so if you're environmentally conscious, you'll be doing the world a favor. The sides are pretty rigid. The top is very durable and snaps on very tightly, so that it's not easily pried off and the wind won't blow it off. So it snaps pretty good. So that's not going to come off real easily. I've decided to upgrade my UV filter, which my current UV filter is part of the filter, which is very poor performance. So I bought this Tetrapon 9-watt ultraviolet clarifier. So various fittings. It has a clear tubing on it so that you can see that the light is actually working. For biological filtration, I decided to go with these bio balls. They have a lot of surface area for collecting particulates and so forth. They're about the size of a quarter. They're all 1-inch in diameter. I got this 5-gallon bucket of them, has about 1,000 in them. I don't plan on using all of them. I'm going to use the rest of them on another project. This is a product called Polymax. It's going to be used as a separation between the bio balls and the inflow water. I bought new 1-inch black line to go from the pump up to the new filter. Also have 1.5-inch line. This is black flexible PVC. So this is the filter media that I'll use above the bio balls. It consists of a fine pad, which is the blue one on top, and a coarse pad, which is the one on the bottom. Each pad I bought, they are 39 inches long, 24 inches wide, and 1 inch thick, and just happened to get those on sale, but they're not too expensive. You'll notice that the black pad is a lot more coarse. You can see more light coming through, so that one will go on the bottom to trap the bigger pieces first. The blue one will go on top. You can see that a little bit more light is coming through, not much more, so that'll be the fine filter. I've upgraded the clamps for the hose. You can find these online if you look around for them. I just kind of came across them by accident. They use a thumb screw instead of the screwdriver or wrench, which is more handy, I think, instead of if you have to do maintenance, instead of having to go back out and find a screwdriver to loosen a clamp. You can just do it right there on the spot. Simple tools that I'll be using to put this filter together: cordless drill, level, marking pins, knife to trim any rough edges, tape measure, various hole saw sizes, and some PVC cement and primer. So thanks for watching the second part of my my video series of the parts and tools section. We'll be starting assembly here and hopefully getting this new filter up and running so that we can see the bottom of our pond. Thanks.